Let's make jerk marinade, a fiery concoction that is vibrant, spicy, and bursting with flavors that can transport your taste buds to the Caribbean islands of Jamaica. Let's jump right into the video. To a blender or a food processor, you're going to combine all your ingredients such as your onion, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, vinegar, salt, a little lime or lemon juice, soy sauce, garlic, onion, thyme, pimento seed or allspice berries or pimento berries, and of course you have to have your bell peppers and your scotch bonnet. Everything will be listed on our blog jerktavern.com. It will be listed in the description bar below. So after you've chopped up everything, blend until smooth and well combine until you achieve your consistency that you want. You can use a food processor or a blender to blend. Taste the marinade and adjust the flavors according to your preferences. You can add more spice, more sweet, or tanginess if you desire to have that. Here is a fun fact about jerk marinade. It was initially used as preservation methods for meat, being marinated in these blends of spices and ingredients to prevent the spoilage in the tropical climates of Jamaica. So over time, this preservation technique evolved into a distinctive and highly flavorful cooking style, jerk. You can use the marinade to marinate your choice of meat, such as chicken, fish. We don't eat pork, but you can use pork, shrimp, so many different things the flavor of jerk can bring. Allow the meat to marinate overnight. Everything you cook, marinate overnight for maximum flavor infusion. You can drill, bake, or cook on the stove top when you're cooking your jerk. We have a bunch of recipes that I will list in the description below, and the meat will be marinated to perfection, and you just savor the intoxicating aroma and fiery flavors that this authentic jerk seasoning will bring to your dishes. Okay, so now we're just blending it up, smoothing it out, and I just want to say thank you to our new subscribers, and we are so grateful and thankful. If you want these recipes before we even post the videos, definitely sign up for our newsletter. Link will be in the description bar below. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you liked the recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and we will see you guys in the next video. This did Ava Vibes, guys. Bye.